the Tac-Force TF-710BK, which stands for the black. You can also get this in the DW, which is the winter camo, the GN, which is green, and the JC, which is jungle camo. And this is a pretty wild knife. Got the belt clip. This is spring assisted, but it also has the seatbelt cutter and the glass breaker. To open this knife, you're gonna flip it like that. Great looking knife. Very, very sharp. Probably about 30% serration there. To close it, move that over to the side. Open it. All the Speedster models are spring assisted, so all you have to do is basically hit the little lever very carefully, and it assists in the opening of the knife like that. This one's pretty heavy. It does have the glass breaker and the seatbelt cutter, so it would be great for anybody to have in their knife collection. You can buy it at mastercutlery.com or on Amazon. Go get it.